In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the instruction at 0x000000 error. The first thing that we want to do is come here and search for Control Panel, go to System and Security, press on System, and then in here on Windows 10 you want to press Advanced System Settings. On Windows 11 I believe it's around here, but you want to go to Advanced System Settings, then head over to Advanced, find Performance and go to Settings, then go to Advanced again, and you want to find the virtual memory. You want to press Change on this one, then untick this little box, Custom Size, and in the initial size you want to type in your recommended, so 2934. It's probably different from you, but this is mine. And for the maximum you want to type something bigger than the currently allocated. So it just needs to be any number bigger than this. So in this case I would just type 9300. Just like this, and then what you want to do is you want to just press set, and then OK, close it down and restart your PC. After this it should hopefully work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.